Servicing the Wilmington area, Martin's Auto Spa is your destination for detailing and ceramic coatings. We are family owned and operated, including a variety of services: auto detailing, ceramic coatings, headlight restoration, and paint correction.
I would like to thank Martin's Auto Spa for such a job well done. Was skeptical at first on ceramic coating, but glad I did. Would highly recommend Martin's Auto Spa to anyone looking to have their vehicle ceramic coated. Very professional business, and they explained and kept me updated with photos throughout the entire process.
I used Martin's for a full car ceramic coating and interior protection. He was incredibly responsive and accommodating. He kept me updated throughout the process, and the end result was nothing short of amazing. Highly recommend his services and will definitely spread the word on how great my experience was.
Call us today for a free quick quote. Martin's Auto Spa. Professional detailing at its best.